Morning, everybody. How you doing? This is Terza Andrews coming to you this morning live on a Sunday morning. I hope you can hear me. I guess I should have checked my sound and stuff before I got started. Let's make sure everything is up. All righty. Hope everybody is well this morning. Good morning. Good morning. If you're watching this after the live, please type in the comment section, #replay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I didn't know what I was going to talk about this morning. That's why I didn't put anything in the description. But I knew I wanted to go live. I know some of you are getting ready to go to church. Some people are getting ready to go to work. Hence cats. Good morning, SB. How are you? Good morning, Wendell Hill. What's up? What's up, Wendell? What's up, baby? How you doing? Oh my God. Good to see you. Thank you for coming on. I'm just coming on just to talk a little bit to my fellow followers on Facebook, family and friends. I love y'all. I'm sitting here at my desk getting ready to do a couple of things, but I just wanted to come on and let you all know. Some of you already know that I started my home-based business, and I post my payments on my story, and it's not to do anything but convince people to go ahead and, hey, good morning, Lori, love you. To begin to think about something. You already on Facebook. You already sending out positive messages to people. Why not get paid to do it, right? Good morning, my sister. I love you. I appreciate you so much. I don't do it for any reason except for to let people know that there is a way during this COVID-19 you can earn income. I put on my post different things like my engagement, how I've improved my engagement. I take it over to Strengthen Our Women's, Lori. And trying to get people to understand that they are already doing the things that needs to be done. Hey, honey. I think I see my honey picture up there. I don't see your name yet, but I know you in the room. I put that stuff on there so that you all can understand that even during COVID-19, you can make money. Hey, baby. Give me some hearts. Show me some love. But anyway, I just wanted to come on and just begin to talk to those that are getting ready to go to work. It's Sunday. A lot of people don't like to go to work on the weekends. Maybe you can start thinking about making some income from home. And it's pretty easy. I know you've heard me say it several times, step by step. 1, 2, 3, ABC, but it's stuff that you're already doing on Facebook. Why not get paid? There's people that send me inspirational stuff every single day. I want to say one young lady, her name is Christine. She sends me positive messages every single day. A gentleman by the name of Lamont send me messages every single day. Why not get paid for it? You know what I'm saying? You're on Facebook already. I mean, some of us be on Facebook all day long. Well, this business, you only have to be on it a couple of hours a day. 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening, or 30 minutes, have whatever time you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? It's not difficult to do. So I want to encourage those of you that are stressed out. I used to hate getting up in the morning to go to work at Cats. I love the people that I communicated with every day, but I hated getting up to go to work early in the morning, leaving my husband. Good morning, Quetta. Hey, baby. Where my babies at? I want you to do a Zoom with me so I can see my babies. I love you. But I'm just coming on to tell people that they're already on Facebook. Why not get paid from it? I love the fact that I'm working from home and I get to be with my family. I get to spend time with my grandchildren. I did a post a couple of days ago with my grandchildren. That was fun while we was waiting for their mama to get ready to go to work. I'm just wanting to let you all know that if you're going out of here to go to work this morning, I really feel you. I used to pray, Lord, please give me something I could do at home. Let me be at home and use the gifts that you've given me so that I can be at home with my children, so I can be at home with my husband. And so he's did it. He's done it. He's done it. He's done it. So I'm at home, working from home. And I just want y'all to know that if I can do it, you can do it too. Stay encouraged. I know a lot of you have lost loved ones, families, friends, and stuff during this COVID-19. I heard that they got this shot coming on. Y'all, please be careful. Please continue to wear your mask and stay covered up. Stay at home as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? If you out there and you dealing with the public, giving out that excellent customer service, wrap yourselves up. I know some of you feel like you can't breathe in the mask. Put the mask on, cover yourselves up because this is a really hard time for people. And I don't want to lose anybody that I love. So y'all wrap up. Keep yourselves wrapped up. I love you. I appreciate y'all for hanging in there with me and making sure that you connect with me. And know Sister Terza is here to be a blessing to you, bring value to you, to let you know, especially my Strength and Honor Women. Y'all listen. I come on there and I created this group so that you all understand that you're not by yourself. Most parents, hey, who is that? Hey, Dorico, how are you? Thank you for popping on. Those of you that are going to watch the video after the live, please make sure you put in #replay and leave your comments. Just coming on just to have a little chat with those that are getting up to go to work, getting up to go to church, and hopefully you all are staying at home. I know you want the word. Just open up the book and read it. You understand? Get online and read it or whatever. But just be safe out here. It's a lot of people in North Carolina that are still getting the coronavirus. People are dying, and it's sad. It hurts my heart. So y'all just really, 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 really keep yourselves covered up, okay? And for those of you that have to go to work, I'm telling you to connect with me. Look at my story. Check on or message me. I can give you some information about starting your own home-based business. Okay, good morning. Good morning. Miss Wells, how are you? Good morning from the UK. You know what? I got an international Facebook, y'all. I got people that come on to see me from all over the world. What a beautiful thing. I got an international ministry. Now I got an international Facebook. Isn't that awesome? That's awesome. But if y'all looking for opportunity to work from home, y'all saw my post. I made an extra $425, I think, this week to add to that $2,300 that I've already made. So if I can do it, y'all can do it too. Just message me, type info in the comment section, or just message me on Messenger and say, girl, what are you doing? What is that? How do I get started? Okay. You can also go to WTALifesolutions.com, www.WTALifesolutions.com. Y'all, thank you so much for coming on to join me. I didn't know what I was going to talk about today, but it was in my heart to come on and do a live, and so I did. And I just want y'all to know that I'm thinking about you, and I was thinking about the people. Thank God I don't have to get up and go to work on Sunday mornings no more. It'll be about 3 or 4 o'clock when I will have to get up, and I feel for you cats people, so just know that I'm here if you need me to help you get started with your home-based business, okay? So you can be at home. Hopefully, see, some people don't need but $100 extra a month to make through the month, because sometimes we have more month than money, and so our money runs out before the end of the month comes, and so people need a little extra 100, 500, 200, 300, 1,000. It's up to you. Whatever you decide you want to do, you can do it. Just know that I'm here for you. God bless you. Y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for checking in. I want you to know that I appreciate you, and just have a wonderful day. Stay safe. Know that you're the key to someone else's blessing, and don't you ever forget it. I bid you peace and love always. Bye-bye, y'all.